whole thing of be curious.
Yes.
I'm Joanna. I'm a service designer at ACC, so my hat is very much about project-based work, using human-centred design, systems thinking, behavioural insight.
Kia ora, my name is Firuza. I'm Customer Experience Lead at ACC. I'm very passionate about people's experience and outcomes. I'm a connector, so I connect the voice of the customer with the data.
So our topic is around making the invisible visible in order to break down silos and create a shared understanding. Work that we did together was around making the invisible visible, creating a solution and a view of our channels and systems where there wasn't an existing view.
We are almost 4,500 at ACC, so we are a big organization, and we all do different parts of the business, but what we try to do is to make that the work that we do, the machinery, break the silos and create this common understanding of what ACC's system is.
We want to give people some practical tools so they can literally take them away and start using them, but also for those leaders out there to have, I guess, some understanding and reassurance of what it is that their teams can do, what can be capable of, with some of their support as well. So
we hope that it will give the courage to innovate, because this is what we had to do with the sheer volume of the information we had. I guess we're here to serve people, right? And it doesn't matter what happens. We just need to do our job even better than we used to do, and think about people, their experiences, the outcomes we want to achieve, and be innovative with what we have.
Yeah. And I think with that comes curiosity and being open and brave and courageous, actually. Just because sometimes we don't actually know the best approach to a thing, but you need to take those initial steps forward in order to actually feel your way into that area, that context, that thing that you don't know much about, that ambiguity or complexity, and take those steps and be brave and be curious.
And as this is a rare opportunity with phenomenal linguists, what would you like to leave the public sector with?
Спасибо большое за внимание. Мы вас с нетерпением будем ждать на нашей конференции. Приходите, пожалуйста.
Wir freuen uns auf euch auf der Konferenz. Wir hoffen, dass ihr kommt und zuhört und viel mitnimmt, und vielen Dank. Bis dann.
So that is a ciao for now from the Govis committee. Thank you both so much for your time, and we're really looking forward to your session. It will be in English, and there's so much to look forward to. So thank you both.
Thank you.